Hello, dear students. Today we are going to begin lesson number 13, Duty and Devotion, page number 45. Here in this lesson, we'll come to know how we can become a lot happier, wealthier, and more agreeable. Just because of one thing, we may lack all these things. So, what is that? That is the conscious. Okay, what is the meaning of conscious then? Conscious means a person's moral sense of right and wrong. So if we have, okay, if we are able to find out, okay, what is wrong and what is good, okay, or what is right in our life, then definitely we can, okay, be one of these. We can be happy, we can okay, we can become healthier and more agreeable. And then at the same time, we need to remember whether we are able to correct ourselves or not. Because each one of us has certain problems. What are those problems? Maybe we can call it okay, minor flaws. So if we are able to correct it, then okay, will definitely be the gainer of all this. Let's see the lesson now. Sometimes people might be a lot happier, perhaps wealthier, and certainly more agreeable if they would correct some minor flaws in their treatment of other people. So when we okay treat the others, when we are okay having conversations or when we deal with the other people, if we are able to correct ourselves, maybe certain faults that we have, if we do that, then we can be a very, okay, what to say, a very happy person in our life. Only your conscience can help you to find true answers to these questions. So how can we find these things? Let's see. We need to answer certain questions which is given at page number 45. The first one goes like this. Do you sometimes forget to say thank you? So have you ever forgotten, okay, to say or to give thanks to the person who has done good to us? Do you sometimes take out your temper on your parents? Okay, sometimes okay we may not be given what we want by our parents. So do we express our anger that time? Is a big question mark for all of us. Okay, to think over it. Do you forget to repay a favor? So do you ever forgotten, okay, a person who has okay done good thing to you once? Do you listen carefully to what others are telling you? So have you ever forgotten that okay if the person who speaks to us or maybe instructing us or maybe guiding us or maybe showing a path, maybe the right path, though it may sound okay sometimes boring, okay, yet we need to listen to all those things. We may not accept the changes okay that would be told by our parents. Maybe we are habituated to do something, maybe that's a bad one. If maybe our elders, parents, maybe teachers or whoever, okay, our well-wisher will definitely correct us. So we should be open, okay, we should listen to their correction. Next one, are you often late for school and dislike being checked? So if you have been late, okay, going to the school, maybe you are not time. So if you are asked to stand outside the gate, okay, have you ever complained? Have you ever grumbled? Do you get annoyed when criticized? So moment when you are criticized, do you feel any kind of what to say anger? If you have felt okay when you are corrected, when you are criticized, then okay surely you need to change yourselves. It happens okay when we accept or when we learn to accept maybe the corrections only when we grow. Let a conscience give you correct answer. Try and improve yourselves accordingly. So definitely you are going to answer these questions in your copy. Once when a poor man was hurrying home from work, very hungry and tired, he heard the cry of a baby. After much searching, he located it. So here we see a poor man who usually returns after the work, and by the time they return home, it is already late, and they feel hungry, they are tired at the same time, so they need to come back to their house as fast as possible. And here also we talk about a poor man who was just returning from home, from work, and on his way he heard the cry of a baby. And then when he heard the noise, or maybe the cry, or maybe the what to say, the cry of a baby, he wanted to find out the locations, or he found out the location where the baby was crying. Someone had left it alone in the dark. The man was in a real hurry to get home, but he could not ignore the baby's cries. His conscience repeatedly told him to pick up the baby and make it quiet. So, though he wanted to return or to come back to his house, his conscience, okay, like pricked him or told him or reminded him, or maybe, okay, created a sense of what to say, sense of right and wrong. And that sense, okay, told him to look for the baby and to take care of him. And he did the same, thinking of thinking that a mother or sister might come to get the baby. He waited near the baby for a long time, but when no one came, he picked it up. The baby was very angry. Then he walked home. So here you see this particular man, okay, was just returning to his house. He located, that means he found out the baby, and stayed or waited near the baby for his mother or sister to come. But then when he found that nobody was coming, he took the baby along and went home. His wife was delighted to see the baby because they had no children of their own. However, they were very poor. They barely had enough to eat for themselves. Here we see, we have the sense of, okay, what to say, if our conscious, okay, it tells us the right thing, then surely we will be doing the right things only. So, though they had nothing, they means this poor man and his wife had nothing, not even a okay child at home, no food to eat. Yet this particular man, okay, took that baby and kept it with him. And the moment his wife saw the baby, she too was glad. They barely had enough to eat for themselves, yet they cared for the child until he became a healthy, strong boy. The boy's presence in the house added spice to their life. They loved the boy and named him Ujjwal. So here we see a very good example from where we can learn a lesson, that having nothing also we can at least show our love, we can show our concern for the others. So we know from here that they had nothing. This particular man used to go for work every day and come back and manage the, what to say, house with whatever they had. And they were very happy. And later on we see, okay, they took the responsibility of this boy and brought him up and named him what? Named him Ujjwal. So this is what we have for today's class. I ask you to go through at least the questions, okay, which we have right in the beginning. So please answer those questions. Thank you so much.